In this meditation, I'm going to give you some time and space where you are relaxed, calm, thinking clearly, so you can make a decision about what career path to take. Now, this meditation may need to be repeated more than once, because big life decisions don't usually happen with the click of a finger, with a wave of a magic wand. It takes deliberation and time. So be patient with yourself. I also want to give you a little bit of advice, if you don't mind. I prefer to use the words highest desires rather than the word career. Because for me, career is limiting. Career takes us down a mind path where we're thinking about business, about making money. It's a societal way of thinking which I believe doesn't serve us very well. I feel like it's more productive to think in a way where you're simply imagining your life, where you are at your happiest. What would that life look like for you? What would you be doing? Would you be in a specific home? Would you be doing a specific kind of activity? I think a lot of the time when we are searching for our careers, we're actually searching for ourselves. For me, anyway, it took a bit of deliberation on my life to realise what I loved and what I didn't. And maybe that is part of your search. Maybe it's about removing the things that don't serve you and working towards the things that are actually going to bring you happiness. Career is anxiety bringing. Just think about the change that you can make to this world. I noticed that in my life, that once I started to focus on positive change, rather than what's going to make me the most money, what's going to give me the most respect from other people, it opened so many doors of opportunity for me. And the financial side of things just came naturally. And it was a win-win, because then I was working towards a life that was in alignment with what I truly desired, and I was making an income at the same time. I feel like this is the way the universe works. So I'm going to give you some time now to just deliberate, imagine. Imagination is key here. Imagining yourself happy in different positions, and just feel what resonates with you. As I said, this is going to take some time, so I'm going to give you 5 minutes of blissful music now. And as I said, you may need to repeat this meditation for a few days, a few weeks, months. Just be patient with yourself. All the best.